In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a workflow with a form on a HubSpot page in HubSpot. We'll walk through this step by step, so by the end, anytime someone fills out your form, they'll be automatically enrolled in the workflow you choose. First, log into your HubSpot account and head to your website content. On the main navigation, look to the left-hand side for the content section. When you hover over it, you'll see options like website pages and landing pages. You can use either, but in this example, we'll work with a landing page. Go ahead and open the landing pages area, then click on the specific landing page where you want the form to appear. This will open the page editor. Once you're inside the editor, look again at the left-hand toolbar. You should see a small plus icon there. Click that plus icon to open the modules panel on the left side of your screen. This panel contains all the elements you can add to your page. Scroll through the list, or use the search bar to find the form module. When you find it, simply drag and drop it onto the section of the page where you want your form to appear. Take a moment to place it in a spot that makes sense for your layout. Ideally, somewhere visible and easy to access. With the form module selected, you'll now see its properties panel on the left. Here is where you control which form is used and how it's labeled. You can update the internal form title so it's easy to recognize later. Then, under the form dropdown, choose the lead capture form you want to use. If you don't have a form yet, you can use the option in that dropdown to create a new form directly from here. That way you can set up the fields you need without leaving the page editor. After your form is selected, look for the section labeled Follow Up with an Email in that same properties panel. Within this section, you'll see a dropdown labeled Add Form to a Workflow. Click that drop-down and choose the workflow you want new form submissions to be enrolled in. This might be a nurturing sequence, a welcome series, or any automation you've already set up. Before you move on, make sure you scroll to the bottom of the left panel and click Apply Changes. This step saves your module settings so the form and workflow connection are preserved. Once that's done, your form is now connected to your workflow and you're all set.